kyrtong ka Indian National Congress ki banyakonya ka Elekshon Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency but Tura Parliamentary Constituency ka Thep kyrteng ne ka baar kum ki kyrtong hakmat ki returning officer jong kini ki R constituency ka jala UMP ka Shillong ba Vincent H Pala ula Thep kyrteng hakmat returning officer ka East Khasi Hills hapaling ka jing senran jong kinang yalam hakmat ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee bat kinong krishan
confident kumba Shillong along confident ni namar ba aswaban Thep na mention ngilawan keleng-keleng kini election ka itnad namar ba borok-borok ki klaim ka last election ka compare bat kini election menta borok-borok ki klaim ke real election kan sedang hadin ka scrutiny hadin ba file nomination ki beriu kini elek kini tray namar ka real election mood kan sedang na do lesai ne lesisi te bangalik keleng-keleng asio ba kabiang
kumjuru UMLA ka Kambegre saleng isangma ula Thep kyrteng hakmat returning officer ka West Garo Hills hapaling ka jing senran kinong yalam ka Congress na rilum garu.
No, you have seen what is happening right now within the country. Though we have the largest diversity in India, you have known that lots of situation is happening right now. Look at Manipur, look at Uttarakhand, look at Assam. They are agitating against the CAA. They are agitating against the UCC. There is no such peace at all. So our main objective is for the people, so that we can prevail the peace. That's what. Thomani ko mai kai tsinga Congress rang rabana taman gen dalo Congress an waja Congress paksa dalo thang party rang namen makta mande rang banga so unik men thomani ko raban baksa ba development rang ko nigel kem na kana ta muso.